If you've ever wanted to send an email later in Yahoo Mail, you may be wondering if there's a built-in schedule button. The important thing to know right away is that Yahoo Mail does not currently support true email scheduling directly inside the app. But don't worry, there is still a simple workaround that lets you prepare your message now and send it later at the exact time you want. In this video, I'll show you the easiest method step by step, and I'll also keep it quick, clear, and beginner-friendly. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Alright, let's get started. First, open Yahoo Mail and click Compose to write your email just like you normally would. You can add your recipient, subject line, and all of the message content you want to send later. Take your time here and make sure everything looks correct because this is the email you'll be sending at a later time. Once your email is written, do not hit send yet. Instead, close the Compose window. When you close it, Yahoo Mail will automatically save the email in your drafts folder. This is the key step because saving it as a draft lets you come back to it later instead of sending it immediately. Now, when the time you want arrives, go back into your drafts folder and open that saved email. Review it one more time to make sure the recipient, subject, and message are still exactly how you want them. Then, once you're ready, click Send. I send. That's it. Even though Yahoo Mail doesn't have a true built-in schedule feature, this draft method gives you a simple way to write now and send later. It's a very practical workaround if you only need to delay a message for a little while or want to make sure it goes out at the right moment. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.